1918 Contenders basketball, number 21. We're going to roll the dice, and we're going to go 9 times, 3 and a 6. We'll do the teams first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Wizards, Timberwolves, down to the Spurs, Rockets, and Portland Trail Blazers. And now for the list of names, going to go 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many times? 9 times. 7, 8, and 9. Michael S at the top and Brent at the bottom. So there we go. Michael S, Wizards and Timberwolves. Brent, Lakers. Preston, Kings. Alfonso, Clippers, Bucks. Mario, Suns. Brent, Hornets and Magic. Steve, Cavs and Jazz. Brent, Celtics. Darren, Warriors. Mike, Mavs and Knicks. Brent, Pistons and Thunder. Lampros, Sixers. Brent, Nets and Heat. William, Bulls. Brent, Hawks and Grizzlies. Jason, Pacers and Pelicans. Brian, Raptors, Nuggets, and Brent, Spurs, Rockets, and Blazers. Well, we did Mario, but then it was the wrong amount of names, so there was 21 names instead of 20, so you really just would have been one under it. Whatever was under the Lakers. But we'd even randomize the teams. Alright, any trades, guys? Let's roll the dice, see which box you're doing. We can do that while everyone sees what team they have. So 1 through 8, let's roll the dice. Box 7 we already did. Box 2, it is. Box 2. Box dos. I got the next one up in the store now. So check that out. Right here, number 22. And then we got some free time after this. 16 left in Triple Threads, 15 in Gold Label, 12 left in Leaf Best of Basketball. So there's a link.
I ordered some food, but they claimed they delivered it and they didn't, so I never should use the service.
It's like the playbook box, right? No, a little thinner.
Give me just 2 seconds. Sorry about this, guys.
Tiny. I'm trying to think what box they copied.
Alright, trade window closed. Good luck, everybody. Box 2.
No, Bob. It's not that I'm really just yeah.
Alright, good luck. First one up from Duke University, Frank Jackson auto. Frank Jackson from Duke. There's so many Jacksons, I always get them confused. Frank Jackson is... Those are the Pelicans right there. Jason Edwards. All the inserts will ship. Ooh, we got a plate coming up. Nice printing plate for the Milwaukee Bucks. Looks like Thon Maker, right? Yep, Thon Maker, 101 magenta printing plate.
Well, I was using DoorDash, and they don't.
Alfonso.
Some weird thing with them saving the suite number in that weird L down here, something like that.
Nice. Alfonso with the Bucks. The Thon Maker. And we got a Kyle Kuzma for the Lakers. Brent with that one. Here you go, Brent. Alright, next pack. Still looking for that on-card auto. Ooh. It is a school colors auto. Bam Adebayo. Bam Adebayo. Bam. Who is from Kentucky. Goes to the Bulls? No, Heat. I knew it was a black and red team. Miami Heat. That's a combo. That goes out to Brent. There you go. 3 packs to go. We got another hit for the Lakers. Josh Hart, auto. Lakers, Brent. Nice one there. It is the on-card auto, Jared Allen. 17 out of 25. Jared Allen from Texas goes to the Nets. Brooklyn Nets is another one for Brent. Draft ticket auto, 17 of 25 for the Brooklyn Nets. And last one. We got Thomas Bryant. Is he also a Laker?
Alright, thanks everybody. So this is a 2015.
Thomas Bryant, Lakers. Wow. That is Brent. So we're still looking for that Lonzo Ball. Haven't hit one at 10 buck breaks yet. So the next one's in the store. We got 3 boxes left in the case. Thanks everybody. JaspysHighland.com.